Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiera from She Is Crown Beauty. I am a licensed nail technician and the owner of She Is Crown Beauty, where I'm wanting to let every girl know that she is beautiful no matter what she looks like, no matter what society's standards are. As long as you have a crown on your head and you wear it proud, you are beautiful. I hope that you guys love each and every set that I bring to the table and that you guys learn something along the way each time that you come and visit my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you guys can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at She Is Crowned Beauty, as you'll see in all of the ads on these pictures. I hope that you guys enjoy the video that you're about to see me in, and I love you guys. See ya. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another design, and today I'm doing like the V lines on the nail. Like, I guess, I don't know if they call this the backwards French. I can't remember, but I think that's what somebody called it. But I know it's the V lines on the nail that are a little bit thicker. I am using the Elite99 gel polish. It's a mood gel polish, so that's why you'll see whenever she takes her nails out of the lamp, it will be like a pinkish color. And this was number 5707. This is a pretty simple design that doesn't really have a lot of explanation to it. All you're really doing is making a V with the gel polish. If you wanted to use like a nail art brush or what have you to do this, you can, but I actually made it pretty clean by just using the brush. You just have to be aware of your lines, making sure that they are straight and not too crooked, because this is the design of the nail. So once again, I'm using the Elite99 gel polish. I got it off Amazon. If I can find it again, I will link it. It is a mood changing polish. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch me finish doing this on her hands. I do let these cure for 30 seconds each, and I will do 2 coats of the color, and I'll be back as soon as I'm done. Okay, so right here, y'all, like I said, you have to be very mindful of your lines. We were both going through looking at them, making sure all the lines were straight. And on this one line was just a little crooked on one side, and it was a really easy fix. So we fixed that up and we cured it again for 30 seconds. And then after that, we went in, and on the middle fingers, she had just one small tiny bling on it. It wasn't a very big bling or rhinestone, shall I say. It wasn't a very big rhinestone that was on it. Once again, I do use a gummy gel to adhere my bling because I just feel like it makes it stay longer. The only downside to that is when you're using a lot of bling, the bling does tend to slip if you don't cure it every once in a while you're putting the bling on. But yeah, and after that, I'm gonna let that cure for 60 seconds because gummy gel does take a little bit longer. You want to make sure that it's all the way cured. I think on here I did 30 seconds, but normally I would do it for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to put the top coat on. I do use the D&D. This is the cleanse top coat because I ran out of my non-cleanse, which this weekend I'm hoping to go and get some more cleanse or non-cleanse. So with the non-cleanse, or I'm tripping, y'all, but with the cleanse, you have to make sure that you use a alcohol wipe or some kind of cleanser at the end to make sure you get that inhibition layer off, which is the sticky layer. If y'all don't get that off, her nails is gonna be sticky. She's gonna have stuff just stuck everywhere. Nobody wants sticky and dirty nails because we forgot to wipe off that sticky layer. And so I always put my top coat in for 60 seconds. That's how long it takes to dry. I do have a 54-watt lamp, which is by Lux Up. I do have a review on that, so if you want to go check that review out, you can. I've had this lamp for almost a year, and it is still holding on strong and like being really good to me. So I'm very grateful for that. But like I said, I used to use the D&D cleanse top coat, and in a few seconds here, you'll see me going in with an alcohol wipe, and I'm going to wipe off the nails just to make sure that that sticky layer is off. So here, guys, I am applying my Mermaid cuticle oil. I'm just putting the moisture back on the cuticles after all of the filing, the buffing, and using the alcohol wipes to remove the inhibition layer. I'm just putting that moisture back into those cuticles. Guys, this is a really simple and easy look. In just a few seconds, you guys are going to see the final product. I hope that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.